Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX882 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX882 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon website here. This is Canon support for PIXMA MX882. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we are on here, you want to select the item. If you scroll down underneath software and drivers, go down a little bit further and select the My Printer and select the download button that corresponds to it. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up to run it. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And now you want to proceed with the installation settings like you normally would with most applications in here. And select next. Select your region and country. Agree to the license terms and then select next. Give us a couple minutes to install here. And then you can create a shortcut on the desktop if you choose. And if you happen to open up that shortcut, you will notice that there's different printer options and settings in here. If you're unable to connect to your printer, you can select the Diagnose and Repair Printer option at the top, and that'll give you different walkthrough troubleshooting steps you can proceed with in order to hopefully resolve those issues. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.